It just rolled a little bit.
Okay, I was like, it's already starting.
This one's awesome, Nathan. You have to watch it.
You have to come watch, hurry! Hurry, 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 hurry!
It's gonna explode.
It might
Knocked
take a
over
little
my stuff.
while. Wait, don't put your glass cup so close. It might explode. It's not that loud.
No, this one isn't that loud.
Compared to the bottle.
Even though it scares the crud out of me. It's making some sounds! What's going on?
I don't know when it's gonna pop.
Oh, it's
I'm
rolling.
so scared.
It's rolling.
Well, yeah, because the thing's rolling.
What if they hit it too hard and it
My
just
bad.
exploded?
Oh my god, it's getting big. Is it not getting big?
I don't know, I can't tell.
Look, it looks big.
It's gonna explode any second now, I'm so
It's gonna
scared.
explode. Over your ears.
Don't. It's so suspenseful, I hate it.
I know! It's like a scary movie.
And this